Glen Velvet Reviews today, and I got another pocket tape measure. I told you guys I love these things. I give them out all over the place. They're great, whether professional, amateur, whatever, no matter what. It's awesome to measure stuff when you're out, unless you don't buy anything at all, or I don't even know, no matter what you have to measure, because people measure their body. You know, everyone took measurements, I think, even in past history, so it's actually really important to have measuring. But this is great. This is a 6-foot one. They have 9 foots. They all have all different ones, but I tried to get as many as I can. And like I said, I just review them for you guys, but I also use them and I give them out to people. I give them out to my friends and my family and stuff. So this is the one close up that this looks like. This is called the Lufkin. All right. It didn't come in any kind of package or anything like that. All right. So it does have. There's no real features to it other than it has a keychain where some of the other ones do not, and I guess they have something else there. But this is cool for girls if you want to put it in your purse. You can put it on your keychain inside the purse. You're not going to carry this with your keys. That doesn't make sense. Not in this day and age. I mean, when you put it in your bag, you're going to be able to find it and pull it out, because, you know, you throw this in your bag, you're never going to find it again. You know what I mean? Or you're just going to not want to take the 5 minutes to find it anyway and get aggravated. So this is a 6-foot one right here. Here's the locking mechanism. Here's what the front looks like. It looks like an aggressive front that can, you know, grip and stuff like that. So let's check the reach on it. Wow, it's very powerful when it pulls back in, just to let you guys know, compared to the other ones. Very powerful spring in here, but I'm not sure about the reach. All right, so this is 3-foot reach, 38 inch, 40 inches, 42 inches, so 44 inches. It has 44-inch reach before this does, you know, break down or whatever. But like I said, the front looks really aggressive, so you can like really grip onto stuff and, you know, get that grip. So I do like that one. That is pretty cool on that, I'm not gonna lie. The other ones have, you know, where you can grip the nails in the middle. This one looks like you can grip nail from the sides, just a kind of different, you know, because you're gonna grip the nail like this and you're gonna pull it, so that's what that's for. All right, so here's the width of the tape that they give you. All right, I guess most of them are 1/2 inch or whatever. I guess it's like more of a standard. The differences would be like the thickness of this, what it would be. All right, that's the keychain that they give you. It's only a couple inches, but whatever. But I mean that's really it for what you can expect the size to be, the width, or, you know, whatever. All right. That's it for the features on that, I guess. It's really it's kind of a simple thing, but it is pretty cool. I do like that little thing, stuff like that. Like I said, there's all different tape measures. Everyone's going to feel, you know, one is better than the other. Some might like the Dewalt better than the other ones. You know, I'm not sure, whatever. But I mean, that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on the Lufkin, whatever control series, you know, pocket measuring tape that I am a fan of. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I can help from the community. If you can, unless you dislike me, whatever, to support the channel, if you're going to buy anything off Amazon, such as this tape measure, use the link below. You click on that, you buy something, I get a little bit of support. I mean, like this much support. But whatever, I guess every bit counts, whatever. And that's it. You can also support the channel in other ways from what I saw on Amazon. That'd be great. And I would also like you to make sure that you check back and to make sure that I am putting that support back into the channel. But that's it. All right, everybody enjoy, be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.